Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid in a photo. Grids are powerful tools that can significantly improve your photography by guiding your composition. They help you arrange elements in your frame for a more balanced and dynamic image. Understanding and utilizing these simple lines can transform your good photos into great ones, making them more engaging for viewers. Let's dive into how these grids work and how you can use them effectively. The rule of thirds is a fundamental compositional guideline. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. The goal is to place your main subject or important elements along these lines or at their 4 intersecting points. This technique prevents your photos from looking static and helps distribute visual weight, leading to a more pleasing and engaging image for the viewer. Beyond the rule of thirds, you can explore other compositional grids like the golden ratio, also known as the phi grid. This grid divides your image using a 1 to 1.618 ratio, with lines positioned slightly closer to the center than the rule of thirds. Another powerful tool is the golden spiral, which follows a logarithmic curve, often seen in nature. These advanced grids can help create compositions that feel incredibly natural and harmonious. Activating grids is straightforward on most devices. For smartphones, navigate to your camera settings and toggle on the grid option. Many digital cameras also offer a 3x3 grid overlay in their display settings. In editing software like Lightroom or Photoshop, you can easily add grid overlays to refine your composition after taking the shot. Consistent practice with these grids will significantly enhance your photographic eye and results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.